Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Have you ever played a game when you hold a mirror in front of the sun rays and the light gets reflected? But what if instead of a mirror you use a convex lens? Will the light get scattered or focus on one point? Let's find out about this by performing an amazing activity. From your IntelliSmart box, take out Refraction of Light Activity Kit. From the kit, take out convex lens and tissue paper. You will also need a black marker pen from your home. Remember, this activity must be conducted on a bright sunny afternoon. Draw a small black circle at its center using the marker pen. Now, take the convex lens and tissue paper out into the sunlight. Hold the convex lens facing towards the sun. Hold the tissue paper with the other hand beneath the lens. Observe the sun rays passing through the lens and projecting onto the paper to form a real image of the sun. Move the lens back and forth to find the point where all the sun rays converge to form the brightest small spot at the circle on the paper. As we are using convex lens of 10 cm focal length, the brightest point on the tissue paper will be about 10 cm from the lens. This is the focal point of the convex lens and the sun's image is real as it is obtained on the paper. Hold the convex lens and the tissue paper steadily in this position for a few seconds. You will observe the sun rays burning a hole in the tissue paper. If the tissue paper burns in flames, drop the paper from your hand immediately. Make sure it doesn't fall on any flammable object. The convex lens is a converging lens. This means it focuses incident light rays at a single point. When a beam of parallel light sun rays strikes the convex lens, it bends and converges at the focus of the lens. When the heat of all the sun rays is focused at a single point, it sets the tissue paper on fire. The convex lens is a converging lens and hence focuses incident light at a single point. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.